This.
So I need to transfer the registration on this car.
A vehicle violation.
I'm not doing nothing, bro.
Stop reaching around.
A passenger who won't comply.
No!
Show me your right hand.
Stop!
What he was reaching for
Don't do it.
changes everything.
Drop that gun right now.
This footage can be difficult to watch. Viewer discretion is advised. Just after 9 p.m. on a Wednesday evening in San Marcos, a deputy conducted a traffic stop on a red Sonata for a vehicle code violation.
All advice. Hi guys, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Good, ma'am. Do you have your driver's license
I
on
do.
you?
I'm looking for it actually right now. Oh, there it is.
Are you from New Mexico?
Yes, I'm from
So,
New Mexico.
I don't know much. Sorry, one of the reasons I stopped you is your third brake light is out.
Is it?
Also, the license plate returns to a different car.
Yes, it does. So I have insurance on this car.
Okay.
If you want to see it, can I show you?
Well, how come this?
So I need to transfer the registration on this car. So the license plate needs to get transferred now on this car. I just put insurance on this car.
Okay.
Because I just bought the car not too long ago.
Okay. Did you So you bought it in New Mexico?
Yes.
Do you live here now though?
Yes. Yes, I come and visit a lot out here. So
Okay,
I have
you
like
have
family
family?
that stays here in San Marcos and stuff.
Do you have any ID on you, sir?
I just changed clothes, bro. I think it's in my other pants.
We're just running to get some pizza for it closed.
Okay, let me show you my.
Go ahead.
There's the insurance on this car for the Sonata.
Give me 1 second. My dispatcher's talking to somebody else.
Okay. Take your time.
The 21-year-old driver provides her information, but questions around the vehicle remain.
Can you roll down the passenger side window for me?
Our passenger side window doesn't roll down.
Oh, he can just open the door there.
While dispatch assists with the investigation, the deputy makes his way to the passenger side to speak with the man in the seat.
Can you just open the door for me, man? Oh, so it does go down?
Yes, this one. Oh, I thought you said the back window.
No, I said the passenger side. Can you spell your last name for me, sir?
Chapman, C-H-A-T-T-O-N.
Can you speak up for me? It's loud out here.
C-H-A-T-T-O-N.
The information provided by the 33-year-old passenger to the deputy would eventually be proven false. The deputy continues to take notice of the man's behavior
Just hang tight for me for a minute, okay?
as he continues to move around inside the vehicle, despite being told to stop.
Hey, stop reaching around, dude.
I'm not doing nothing, bro.
Stop
Chill.
reaching around.
God damn.
Leave the window down.
Just talking to her.
Open the door. He's reaching.
He's reaching.
Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Can you break that window?
Unlock the door. Stop reaching. Unlock
Call
the
1 at
door.
gunpoint. Stop reaching! Stop reaching!
Stop
Get your hand out!
reaching.
Get your hand out!
Another deputy moves in and removes the female driver from the vehicle for her safety. The driver had already been urging the passenger to stop, making clear she wanted no part of what was unfolding.
Show me your hand!
Stop reaching. Show me your hand. Show me your right hand.
No.
Show me your right hand.
Stop.
Come
Stop.
on. What? He's got a gun. He's got a gun.
Take your hand off the gun! Take your hand off the gun!
that gun.
Get your hand up.
Hey, drop that gun. I will shoot you in your head.
Stop. Don't do nothing stupid.
Call 1, he's got a gun.
Hey, stop.
Take your hand off the gun!
Okay. I didn't do nothing. Why are you pulling me over?
Hey,
Not gun.
get out of the crossfire.
Stop. Okay, no, Jack. Stop.
Do not move that gun.
Hey, I'm
Then
doing
you have a gun. Just let me know. I don't want to shoot you. Then you have a gun.
No, I don't know.
Do not move your hand.
Drop your phone, get your hand on your back.
I see the magazine. It's a tan gun.
Okay. Hey, I got this. Can you break this window?
Me?
Yeah.
I got a good angle right here. I'm not doing it.
Got a hole punch?
Can you break that window?
Front?
This window.
Do not move that gun. I will shoot you. Drop your gun. Drop your gun. Drop your gun. Now. Drop it right now. Drop your gun right now. He's pulling it out.
With the passenger still refusing every command, A deputy moves to force entry through the passenger window. Moments later, the man produces a firearm, and officers respond.
I will shoot you. Drop that gun right now. I'm not going to shoot it. Drop that gun right now.
Go ahead. Take your hand off the gun now! I can't see him. Hurry up, Pronto. I can't see him. Hurry up.
He's pulling it. Okay, drop. I can't see. He's reaching again. He's got the gun.
Don't.
Hey, Taser,
Drop it. Drop it. Don't do it, man. Don't do it.
please
Don't do it. I'm gonna tase you. Shots fired.
As deputies force entry through the passenger window, a taser is deployed,
Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm gonna tase you.
but the man reaches to the floor and comes up with a firearm. Officers respond immediately.
Shots fired.
Looking closer at the moment of escalation, you can see the suspect reach down, draw the weapon, and the muzzle flash indicating he fired first, before the officer involved shooting occurs. Deputies rendered medical aid to the 33-year-old man until paramedics arrived. He did not survive his injuries. What starts as a vehicle code violation can shift into a life or death situation in a matter of minutes. For law enforcement, there is no such thing as a routine stop. Every call carries unknowns. The decisions made in those final seconds by multiple officers under pressure are now part of a formal investigation to determine whether the use of force was justified. These incidents ripple far beyond the scene. Families, communities, and the officers involved all carry the weight of what happens in moments like this. This channel makes no judgments. The footage presented is just a portion of what investigators are examining. If you found this informative, hit subscribe. We cover real policing incidents and critical use of force cases to keep you informed and aware.